You cannot master a life you are unwilling to tell the truth about. And that is why truth is the beginning of self-mastery. Welcome to Integrity 444 LTQS. Today we are going deeper into one of the foundational principles of this entire channel. Truth. Not surface truth, not a convenient truth, not image management truth, real truth. Because self-mastery does not begin with control, it begins with honesty. A lot of people think self-mastery means discipline alone. They think it means routines, habits, willpower, productivity, emotional control, or spiritual language. But none of those things can create real mastery if they are built on denial. Self-mastery starts the moment you stop running from what is real. Truth is the doorway because you cannot transform what you keep misnaming. You cannot heal what you keep excusing. You cannot align your life with something you refuse to acknowledge. Truth sounds like, I am not at peace, I am exhausted, I am angry, I am afraid, I am performing, I am settling. I am betraying what I know. I want to be chosen. I do not trust myself yet. This relationship is draining me. This version of me is no longer true. That kind of honesty can feel disruptive, but it is also liberating. People avoid truth because truth changes things. Truth may require boundaries. Truth may end illusions. Truth may expose grief. Truth may reveal that what you have normalized is actually hurting you. Truth may ask you to stop performing strength and actually begin healing. That is why many people stay busy, distracted, or spiritually abstract. Because if they slow down enough to feel what is real, they may have to confront what their life has become. But self-mastery is not built through avoidance. It is built through contact with reality. Truth restores internal coherence. When you lie to yourself, a split is created. One part of you knows, another part pretends not to know. That fragmentation creates confusion, fatigue, and inner conflict. Truth begins to heal that split. It brings your mind, body, emotions, and spirit back into relationship. Truth gives you accurate ground to stand on. Without truth, every attempt at growth becomes unstable. You may look disciplined and still be disconnected. You may sound wise and still be fragmented. You may appear spiritual and still be living in deep self-betrayal. Truth strips away performance and gives you something real to build from. If you want to begin practicing truth as self-mastery, start here. Ask yourself, what am I feeling that I keep minimizing? What do I know that I keep avoiding? Where am I pretending? What truth would bring relief if I admitted it fully? Then do something powerful. Name one truth without trying to fix it immediately. Just name it. Sometimes the first act of mastery is not action. It is accurate recognition. Once truth is named, clarity begins. And from clarity, aligned choice becomes possible. Truth is the beginning of self-mastery because truth ends internal confusion. It brings you back into contact with what is real. And once you are grounded in reality, you can begin to change your life with integrity. Self-mastery is not becoming someone artificial. It is becoming honest enough, disciplined enough, and aligned enough to live from what is true. If this message spoke to you, subscribe to Integrity 444 LTQS. This channel is for those who are ready to return to self, reclaim power, and live aligned. Comment below, what truth have you been needing to admit to yourself?